So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today guys, we're gonna be doing something a little different, and we're gonna be doing something, it's an African dish. Well, originally this is something African from the Northwest Africa, and this is called couscous. So guys, this, I don't know how to describe it, but one thing I know, it is tasteless. So we're gonna be making this today, and these are my ingredients that I'll be using. For the peppers, I'm not gonna be using all of it. I'll be using like a half of each, and this is cucumber, and I'll be using a half of the onion. I'll be using all of the sweet corn, and this is coconut milk, and this is 1 cup. This is 1 cup and a quarter. Actually, I'm not gonna use all of the couscous. I'll be using half of it, and this, when you put it in the water, it swells, and because it is tasteless, I am using coconut milk to create my own taste. And what I will do, I will boil the coconut milk to about 1 cup, so it doesn't get too soft. And also this is my chickpeas, and I will add some powder seasoning to that. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I will be using. So I will be pouring the coconut milk in my saucepan. And I will add about a teaspoon of seasoning to this, or until my ancestors say stop. So guys, I will put this amount, and then I will put it on the stove to cook for some minutes, and we'll get back to the video. So guys, this is to make my onion and sweet pepper and all cut up, and this is the size. So as you can see, they're not big, they're very small, and this is my onion. So this is the cucumber, and guys, this cucumber is very soft. The seed isn't large, they are very small, and it's overall soft, so you can eat everything. And also this is my corn. So here is my milk. It's ready. I'm turning off the stove, and this is it. So guys, to this I am going to add my couscous. I'm gonna add a half of it, and then allow it to sit for 20 minutes. So from my estimate, that's a half, which is 175 grams. So guys, I'm just gonna cover this and allow it to sit and absorb the water and cook on its own. So after 15 to 20 minutes, I'll get back to this. So guys, while we're waiting on our couscous to be ready, I will be sauteing these. I'm not gonna cook them, I'm just gonna allow the flavor to escape a little. So here I have some oil heating, and then I will be adding all my onions and stuff in there. So I think my oil is ready, so I'll be adding all of these. So guys, also I will be adding my chickpeas to this, and the reason for me to be adding my chickpeas to this, it's some leftover, so I'll put it in the freezer to preserve it. So now I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna just put it in this for it to be warm. These are almost done because remember we're not cooking them. So guys, this is ready. I'm gonna cover this until our couscous is ready, so we can just combine them. So guys, this is our couscous after 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So guys, to this I'll be adding my other ingredients. Also be adding my cucumber and my corn. Guys, I will be adding some cheese to this, but I will be adding it when I'm serving it. So guys, this is my couscous. You can eat this as it is. You can put meat with it, whatever you like. You can eat it as a rice or a salad. And yes guys, this is it. Now it's very tasty because normally it's tasteless. So when you put whatever you want to put with it, then it gives it a flavor. So guys, this is it, and I will be showing you when I plate it, so stay tuned for that part. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Until the next video, bye bye.